The mail has finally ran. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are doing February 2026 Curated Bead Box. So let's go. Our mail has not ran in a little over a week, and it finally ran today. So look what I got in. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. I'm hoping that we've got something Valentine-y or pink or, something like that. But we'll see what we got. And again, this is February 2026 Curated Bead Box. Let's see. Okay. Oh, they had it flipped around the right way this time. Okay, you ready? Ancient treasure. Okay, let me go ahead and pull it out and get everything organized, and then we'll go through it. Okay, I am back, and y'all, I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm trying to get sick or if it's just dryness or what, but I laid down for a little bit, and then when I got up, my throat is just so scratchy sounding and feeling, so forgive me. I do have my water, but I'm trying. So the first one we have is 12mm aqua solid color glass bead on an 8-inch string, and that's this one. That is a pretty color. I like that. Yeah, that is a pretty color. The next one is 10mm copper glass pearl bead. That's pretty. It's almost a silvery tan color. What, April? Next, we have 10mm dark brown crackle glass bead. Oh, that's pretty. Then we have a 10mm turquoise red swirl marble glass bead. That is this one. Ooh, that's real pretty. Maybe I really like that one. Next, we have 8mm jasper gemstone bead. It's on 7 to 8-inch string. I believe that's this one. That looks like jasper. Yeah, it's got to be jasper. Because sometimes they can have jasper in different colors, but I think it's like man-made colors. I believe this is real jasper. Next, we have 8 by 6mm khaki rondelle gemstone style glass bead on a 7.5-inch string, and that would be these. They're like a squatty, almost barrel shape. In my camera there, they almost look green. They're not green. They are similar to a pair of khaki pants. Maybe that shows a little better. Next, we have 8mm apple green copper drizzle glass bead. Yes, it is. That's not an 8mm. Looks like 4mm. Okay, because these are 8mm. It must be a typo, but they are pretty. They're like a green and almost a yellow and kind of a gold color, and then it's got little like black lines or something. Makes you think of a tree in a way or something, or it does me. That's my brain. Then we have approximately 1 ounce of antique designer glass bead mix, and that is this one. We always get a glass mix that kind of matches the main beads. Those are pretty, and they come in different sizes, shapes. Then we have 8 by 6mm gold metal rectangle spacer beads, and that should be yeah, that's these. Those are pretty. I think that little knot looking thing right there, it's one on each side, but I think it's just a design because it's not an actual hole. Then we have 6mm gold metal bead caps, approximately 30. So some fun little bead caps. Then we have a 6mm then we have a 66mm heart patina metal pendant. That's cute. It looks like another long necklace to me. I've been into those here lately. And then, can you see that bluish greenish look? If you are new to jewelry making, that is what patina is. Then we have a 90 by 70mm pillow gift boxes. Well, we have never had gift boxes before, but that's different. I guess you just, and then you fold that in. Put whatever you want in it, and then fold that in. I don't know what I think about those. And then we always, with Curated Bead Box, they always give us the Finding Starter Kit, and it includes crimp beads, elastic beads, memory wire, let's see, beading wire, head pins, jump rings, Earwires, crimp tubes, and lobster clasp. So they always send that. Okay, Curated Bead Box is a Curated Bead Box company, and if you're new to any of this, these bead box companies, what they do, they come up with a theme each month, and then they curate these beads to kind of match that theme, and they sell it to us for a discounted price. It's a very good deal. That's the cheapest way to go, and especially if you're new and you're just trying to get experience with different beads, new beads, but not spend a ton of money. These are the best ways to go. This is $20. I don't think it's went up on me yet, or if it has, I haven't noticed, but it's roughly around $20 a month. That's taxes and shipping. And then if you like this and you have never purchased anything from them before, I will put a link in the description box below. Click on that link. You'll be going through me. Yes, I'm affiliated with them. I don't really get much, but I have to tell you, I'm affiliated with them. And then you click on their link, you go through me, and then you can put in the code April35 in the code box, April35, and that saves you 35% off of your very first order, which brings it roughly down to about $17 for your very first try. you can cancel this at any time. So I encourage you, if you are into jewelry making, you know, beginner or even, you know, someone that's been doing it for a long time, this is a very good way to go. So I appreciate you all hanging out with me, and I'll get something made with this hopefully pretty soon. But that's it. So I hope you all have a blessed rest of your night or morning or evening or whatever, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.